Namaste. This meditation is an invitation to reconnect with your natural creativity, emotional flow, and joy by tapping into the Sacral Chakra, also known as the Svadhisthana Chakra. We'll start with 6 rounds of pranayama or breath work. So I'd like to invite you to close your eyes, make yourself comfortable. Bring your awareness to your breathing in this moment, just to notice if your breath is a deep or a shallow breath, and how relaxed you may be feeling, and what energy you are arriving with in this moment. As I guide you through 6 rounds of breath work, I'd like to invite you to release tension, tightness, and worry with each exhalation. We'll do the box breath to begin with, breathing in for the count of 4 seconds, holding for 4, exhaling for 4 seconds, and then holding the breath again for 4 seconds. So on your next breath in, inhale, hold, exhale, hold, 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 inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Breathe normally and naturally, and notice how you feel in this moment. I'd like to now invite you to bring your awareness to the lower abdomen. Imagine a warm amber glow energy shimmering here. With each breath, this amber light begins to move like water, fluid, luminous, and alive. Creativity is not something one can force. It is something we allow. I'd like to invite you to repeat in your mind or out aloud, I allow life to flow through me. I welcome creativity and joy. My emotions move freely and naturally. I allow life to flow through me. I welcome creativity and joy. My emotions move freely and naturally. Take a few moments to rest in this warm, flowing energy and visualize it circulating throughout your body. From this place of creative flow, we can now move into the radiant center of personal power, the solar plexus, also known as the Manipura chakra. Namaste.